we deliver clinical care. That all comes from somewhere, and it has to come from good quality research.
So we are a sort of medium-sized practice, semi-rural location. We've got 24,500 patients registered with us.
We established the surgery as a research active site in 2018, very much feeling that it was a missed opportunity for both our patients and staff not to be involved in research. Since this time, our portfolio of studies has continued to grow.
We attribute a huge part of our success to the involvement of all of our team here at Phoenix.
Well, I think one of the benefits of the practice is, for one, you would foster a better working together experience. Nurses were involved, the GP was involved, I was involved, their own GP was involved, the patient was involved. So it gave us that kind of a cohort of what was going on in the patient's life in terms of medication.
I like being part of a team that is looking at improving things. So I like thinking that we can better ourselves in GP, not just in hospital settings. I really enjoy being part of research because working with the team is motivational.
It's quite a varied role, so we get a lot of studies that we do that are, very, very different. So a lot of patient-facing studies, a lot of remote studies, and generally things that patients can really get involved in, things that mean a lot to them, that they're willing to contribute to.
And research isn't all about taking tablets and placebos. Sometimes it's about a survey, and you might just want to get some of your patients' points of view, and it could be on paper or online. So always do it.
For the practice, being involved in research is really helpful for a number of different reasons, some of which include things like being at the forefront of current practice, so potentially offering treatment options for patients that might not have that available to them.
Seeing patients with acute minor illness, we're in a really good position to recruit patients to research. We've taken part in several trials, such as the Athena trial for shingles.
It's just helpful because obviously as a paramedic you want to try and make a difference to people. If you can improve quality of life from research, it's quite rewarding when you hear about the trials that are going on. It can hopefully improve outcomes for those patients.
I like being involved in the research because I feel like I'm part of it and I'm actually making a difference, and the patients like it too. They want to see change.
Being involved in research as a patient is better for you, regardless of the outcome, because you're part of something and often you are more in contact with your clinical team. Time is difficult, but it's never not worth doing it. Never not worth doing it, because if it's good quality research, that will always inform good clinical practice. It's always worth doing. The thing is getting that message out there that we're all benefiting and that we're all part of something a lot bigger.